Hello. I hope all of us are safe at home and doing well with our families and the businesses as usual. The team joins me at Pay Nearby in wishing you a safe, peaceful and a prosperous Diwali and a wonderful, fantastic comeback in the coming year. May this year bring you joy and fulfill all our wishes for a better India. On this auspicious occasion, we find ourselves reflecting upon the past year and turning gratefully to all those of you who have made our vision possible together. And thank you for your unfailing support and trust through the highs and lows of the last year. The bad time is over, the good time is ahead of us. Your spirit of selfless service has made it possible for Bharat to have access to the cash and the government relief funds, which was essential for survival during the pandemic. And you have done a wonderful service to the nation by coming forward and handing over these government funds to the citizens. Between April to October months of lockdown alone, you have served more than 4.5 crore citizens and disbursed over 20,000 crore of DBT funds to individuals. Your determination to provide the uninterrupted access to banking services has been recognized by all, including the Government of India, the leading newspapers, the Governor of Reserve Bank, the Finance Minister, and above all, the Mananiya Pradhan Mantri of the country, the Prime Minister of the nation. You are our digital Pradhans and the Pay Nearby heroes, our frontline soldiers who make our vision a reality. And we look forward to achieving many more goals and milestones together and wish you all the best, all the very best as you embark on this year ahead. Let me also take this opportunity to share some of our key milestones that we have achieved together and the plans for the new products in the times ahead. I am also very happy, delighted, privileged that on your behalf I received the Best FinTech in Payment Award from none other than the Indian Banks Association and the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI. We also are the finalists in the National Startup Award announced by the Union Minister, Shri Piyush Goyal ji. And this would not have been possible without your unwavering support and the tireless work that you have done in the field. Please accept our heartiest gratitude and congratulations for achieving this feat together. On product front, I would like to highlight the key achievements that you have been working on and how these products would benefit us. The micro ATM service where citizens can withdraw card-based cash. They can access to the government fund with the biometric as well. So the AEPS and the micro ATM combination has come to rescue with your help. And customers now have a choice to withdraw cash both with either a debit card or with the biometrics authentication. Multiple banks have come forward to help these initiatives. The integrations with them for AEPS, the Aadhaar-based cash withdrawals, account statements Aadhaar-based, or the domestic money transfers that the friends from urban centers were sending to the rural families in the rural, or in the tough times when the families started sending back money to their bread earners in the urban centers. It's very touching that we saw reverse remittances happening from the interiors of the country, and these are all with high success rates. Jobs Nearby was a great accomplishment, and thanks to you for standing tall along with us in this moment when our friends who were serving in urban centers had been relieved of their responsibilities, they lost their jobs or were not able to earn their bread during these times. You were able to register them for jobs, and we fulfilled the supply side of the registry, feeding into many of the job employment companies across the country. Buy Nearby, the program that we have been engineering over last 3.5 years, helps now the retail Kirana stores and apparel and the digital equipment stores, electronic stores, to sell to citizens in a touchless environment, a touch-free environment where the pandemic warrants you not to be touching products. Citizens can buy it online using our app Buy Nearby, and the digital payment also is enabled alongside. The Digi Smart Transfer, which is a combination of card-based cash withdrawal and a remittance service, helps you do cashless remittances. Multiple advantages that you have been able to see: that it's a risk-free business service for you. Nil working capital is required for you to be able to offer remittance services to your customers, your citizens, and you earn 57% higher commission because of the combined two services rendered in one shot. The RuPay shopping card, as the finance minister announced yesterday, that India must and the bank partners must come ahead and along with NPCI issue the RuPay prepaid cards. PayNearby is very honored that we have been working on the RuPay card, and we dedicate this to the nation in this auspicious time of shopping and festivity, that India can now shop digitally using the RuPay shopping card issued by PayNearby. The Khata insurance product that we rolled out very recently during the pandemic is very helpful from the perspective that people have realized the significance of saving with the insurance attached to it. So one who saves money is able to get 5 times or 10 times of insurance cover on the money deposited, and money can be withdrawn in the due course. It's just like a saving that one does for the good times ahead. Nivesh, the Choti Bachat Bada Fayda program, which we have rolled out in partnership with SBM Bank India, has a wonderful opportunity where you can now serve your customers, the citizens, who can come to you and tell you 2 kilo aloo, 1 kilo प्याज और 25 रुपया का FD देना भैया. So this FD or a saving account product that is available with 5% interest yield to the people gives them flexibility with regard to saving small money at convenience, and they can accumulate large money at end of a period when they want. It's a hassle-free account opening process with a thumb biometrics based account opening authentication. The gold loan program that we have launched with partners allows you to avail easy access to cash during the pandemic. The gold lying in the almirahs or tijoris at your home can now be brought out for getting loan as low as 10,000 rupee to as high as 5 lakh. So PayNearby is happy to partner with Muthoot and Gold Uno to bring this service to you, through you to your customers as well. So all 12 crore citizens can access to this service now at your shops. The cash collection service for the NBFCs and microfinance companies has been very helpful during pandemic, when citizens wanted to pay back their loan and the employees of our NBFC companies were not able to travel. You were standing in the shops there to receive those small 700, 1200 rupees of EMI. It has helped those people who wanted to repay their loan responsibly to repay it through your help. And thank you very much for that support that you gave. We also have launched the rewards platform, which is Leaderboard, which helps you realize your leadership position in the local area and help you earn extra bonus points with significant milestones that you are able to achieve in terms of serving the citizens. Stay tuned. We make this platform more exciting for you. The app is now available in Hindi, English and Marathi, and soon this quarter another 5 languages will be brought to you. I'm also privileged to share the report card that you have been helping us perform with about 10 lakh retail partners registered across 17,500 pin codes, are serving more than 12 crore citizens today. The 33% market share of Aadhaar enabled payment service over the months have continued to maintain the 3,200, 3,400 crore each month of Aadhaar based cash withdrawal and 11% of the remittances market. 10 lakh transactions per day is mind boggling and is beyond compared to anyone in the industry and many banks as we speak. Business throughput, the last month we exited with 4,700 crore plus some change, and we see this only growing with the times improving. We are also delighted to announce that last month we completed 1 lakh citizens in the country who have been covered by you for micro insurance services. So that's compliments to you. We are grateful to you once again and our banking partners, National Payment Corporation of India, the Reserve Bank and the Finance Ministry, who have helped us serve Bharat during these unprecedented times. And please be rest assured that your growth remains our top priority, and we will continue to innovate and better our services ourselves to exceed your expectations. Wishing you and your family a very, very prosperous Diwali and a good, brilliant year ahead. May the new year bring more cheer and more business to you and happiness to your lives. Thank you so much. And the entire Pay Nearby team joins me in wishing you a good time ahead.